Hi class, here I have what your Word 2 lab should have looked like and been formatted. So here's the notes, I'll just maximize this, that you should have used basically as an outline. So you weren't supposed to just submit this and format this into a report form. What you needed to do was edit it yourself. So on the right here I have what you should have turned your notes into. So first thing you'll notice, you have person's last name or your last name and the page number. And you have the student's name. Let's just do this. I'll just type in Professor Brown. And I'm going to change this to my normal style. Okay, so the student's name or your name, my name, the course, Introduction to Business Computing, and the date. Okay, also you should have used the title of your paper as Wireless Communications. And again, you'll notice that I changed all of these bulleted points into paragraph form. I indented each paragraph. Okay, and as noted in your instructions in Laulima, these are not in any particular order, so it is your job to go through these notes and put them in an order that flows and makes sense. Okay, you also notice that after each paragraph, so after your introduction paragraph, you have your Bluetooth paragraph. Okay, and that's where I insert my citation. So remember, that's where you go to your references, go to citations and bibliography, okay, and create that citation. Okay, that was your first paragraph. And then the same thing for your second paragraph. Okay, you're going to use this citation to create it here in your report. And then lastly, for your Wi-Fi, you would use this information for your citation here. Okay, and lastly, you're supposed to do a conclusion paragraph. Okay, and most of you just copied and pasted this. You didn't really add anything, so there wasn't much of a flow. So really think about what you're doing and why. Okay, and then lastly, if you go down to your works cited, okay, just like in your projects, you should have done your citations and bibliography and have done the regular insert bibliography, not a built-in style. If you had done a built-in style, and I'll just show this to you. Let me click here. Okay, so if you did your works cited built-in style, okay, that would give you your works cited here, okay, in blue. But for the purpose of this, I didn't mark off points if you did it this way. Okay, but keep in mind that when you do these MLA formatted reports, to next time just do the insert bibliography here instead of one of these built-ins. Okay, so again, this is what your Lab 2 should have looked like. So again, I reworded some of those bulleted points and I turned it into paragraph forms, including creating citations, okay, for each paragraph. Okay, you also notice that I did change the normal style to that Times New Roman, 12-point double-spaced, no spacing after each line format.